Today, we're unboxing something truly special, the limited edition CT5 battery charger kit. This is the ultimate bundle for anybody who cares about keeping their vehicle's battery in peak condition. Let's dive in. As we open the box, you'll see everything you need for smarter, easier battery care. Let's start with the star of the kit. This is the CT5 Time to Go charger, featuring a unique countdown timer that actually tells you exactly how much time remains until your battery is fully charged. It's designed for all lead-acid 12-volt batteries with 3 intelligent charging modes. Normal for flooded 12-volt lead-acid batteries, AGM for AGM batteries that need a slightly increased charge voltage, and reconned to recondition deeply discharged wet and calcium batteries. But in this kit, you not only get the charger, you also get an assortment of premium accessories that make this kit both value-packed and convenient. The indicator eyelet, a quick, simple way to monitor your battery's health. Ideal for those hard-to-reach batteries. Simply connect the eyelets to your vehicle's charging points and you will always be able to see whether or not you need to charge. And when you do, simply connect it to the charger like this. Connect clamp for secure and hassle-free charging connections. This has the same quick connect system as the eyelets, so it's very easy to switch between them. Bumper 60, a protective silicone cover that prevents damage and enhances grip. This is perfect if you want to put the charger somewhere on the vehicle without risking any scratches. And of course, the lightweight padded CS storage case. This durable case keeps everything neatly stored and ready to go, so your charger and accessories are always organized and protected. Whether you're maintaining your car's battery, storing your motorcycle for the winter, or simply keeping your seasonal vehicles ready to go, this kit is perfect for everyday maintenance or long-term care. And remember, this is a limited edition bundle. Once it's gone, it's gone. So don't miss out on the ultimate battery care kit. It's a perfect gift for any vehicle owner or a smart addition to your own garage. Grab yours before it's too late. Thank you for watching and happy charging with CT5.